thokawoi neighboring country Bangladesh no khairok map numan pai India.
Dear people of Tripura and various northeast states, on behalf of Nam Tamil Party, for the sake of ruling of our own motherland, let's unite. Let's unite. Raise your voice, raise your hands. Let's unite. We should fight democratically against the atrocities that are made by central BJP government. I can say definitely